If you use Airbnb, you might run into some common problems. Here are the most frequent issues and their solutions. First, booking not going through. This usually happens if your payment method is declined. So, make sure your card details are correct or try a different card or PayPal. Second, cancellation issues. If a host cancels at the last minute, Airbnb will give you a full refund and often help you find a similar place quickly. Always check the cancellation policy before booking. Third, problems with the property, like it doesn't match the listing. In this case, contact Airbnb support immediately and provide photos. They can offer refunds or help you relocate. Fourth, communication with the host. If your host isn't responding, use the Airbnb app's messaging system only so Airbnb has a record. If it's urgent, escalate it through customer support. Fifth, account access issues. If you can't log in, try resetting your password or contacting Airbnb support with your registered email and phone number. And that's all. Those are the most common Airbnb problems and their quick solutions. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and thank you for watching.